Biomolecules are big molecules or macromolecules which occur naturally in biological systems and are called biomolecules. For example, all polysaccharides like starch, cellulose, proteins, enzymes, vitamins, hormones, etc. are all biomolecules. Now, carbohydrates. These are optically active polyhydroxy. Polyhydroxy means there are more OH groups. They are aldehydes or ketones or compounds which produce such units on hydrolysis. For example, glucose, sucrose, cellulose, starch, etc. Now, classification of carbohydrates. हम कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स को कैसे क्लासीफाई कर सकते हैं? We can classify carbohydrates into three groups: monosaccharides, oligosaccharides, and polysaccharides. Now, what are these monosaccharides? Simple carbohydrates that cannot be broken further into smaller units on hydrolysis. For example, glucose, fructose, ribose, etc. ऐसे स्मॉलर यूनिट जिनको हम और फर्दर छोटे पार्ट में ना ब्रेक कर पाएँ, दैट इज कॉल्ड मोनोसेक्राइड्स. ओलिगोसेक्राइड्स, carbohydrates which on hydrolysis give 2 or 10 units of monosaccharides. For example, sucrose, maltose, raffinose, etc. ऐसे यूनिट्स जिनको हम 10 यूनिट्स तक फर्दर ब्रेक कर पाएँ, दे आर कॉल्ड ऑलिसैकराइड्स, ऑलिगोसैकराइड्स. पॉलीसैकराइड्स, carbohydrates which produce a large number of monosaccharide units on hydrolysis. For example, starch, cellulose, etc. Now, what is the importance of carbohydrates? Carbohydrates act as biofuel, biological fuel, to provide energy for functioning of living systems. Glucose, on oxidation, it produces CO2 and H2O with the release of large amount of energy. They are used as storage molecules as starch in plants and glycogen in animals. Deoxyribose and deoxy-D-ribose are present in RNA and DNA, respectively. Cellulose acts as structural material of cell walls of bacteria and plants. Carbohydrates, they give us raw materials for many important industries like textile, paper, and breweries. Then we have reducing sugars. Carbohydrates which contain free aldehydes or ketone group, they are called reducing sugars. They can reduce failing solution and tolerance reagent. All monosaccharides like glucose, fructose, maltose and lactose, they are reducing sugars. Non-reducing sugars which do not have free aldehyde or ketone groups and they do not reduce failing solution or tolerance reagent, they are called non-reducing sugars. For example, sucrose. Now, preparation of sucrose, of glucose from sucrose. Sucrose, on addition of water in the presence of acid, it splits up into glucose and fructose. Even from starch, glucose is obtained by hydrolysis, by boiling with dilute sulfuric acid at 393 Kelvin under some pressure. For example, starch or cellulose, on addition of water at 393 Kelvin, it can be changed to n units of glucose.